I'm going to show you how to use the Colour Eye app. First thing is, it's important that your camera is clean. If there are any fingerprints on the lens, etc., you want to make sure that those have been wiped off and it's perfectly clean. Next thing is we'll get our Colour Eye card out of its sleeve, and we're going to first off actually measure the QR code. Let's open the app. Into the app, click on this small QR code icon in the top right hand corner. And in fact, that was so fast, I'll do it again because you saw it had the tick mark. Let's actually click on that QR code, and immediately you see it's actually identified the QR code. Now it's ready to actually make a measurement. It says on the window, align the card and tilt the phone to the right. We're going to measure this sample of red here. Make sure your card is flat to the surface. We're now going to take our phone and we're going to make sure that the phone is aligned both vertically and horizontally, and we're going to get the card so it's exactly filling the frame. You see the frame with the 4 green outer corners? That's informing me that the phone is exactly in the right position, and it's now come up and found a colour match. One of the important things that we actually saw here is that we actually had to tilt our phone to the right hand side. Let me just show you again how we're actually tilting it. So here, aligned, and we're now going to tilt the phone to the side. And when it finds the card, it takes the measurement. The first measurement with the flash on and the second measurement with the flash off. To take our next measurement, let's try this on a vertical wall. Click the back button to actually start our next measurement. Make sure your card is placed smooth and flat against the wall. Position our phone. So again, remembering we're going to align and we're going to tilt. And as soon as we actually get that card within inside the frame at that angle, it will take its measurement. The phone now computes the colour. And if you want to pick from different colour fan decks, you can click on the icon here in the top right to choose between different colour collections. A few tips and things to watch out for. If I now try and actually position my phone so it's exactly over the top, we can actually see that we're not going to get a measurement now because we're seeing the light that's actually been reflected back from those glossy bubbles which are on the surface because I've not tilted my phone. Again, remember that we need to tilt the phone to the side, keep those bars in the right place, and then it will actually take the measurement. Tip number 2, some people find problems because they hold the phone too far away. You see here now it's starting to flash and trying to find the card. The card's inside the frame, but you're too far away. Remember, you need to actually fill the card so it actually fills that complete frame, and you have that at the angle, and it will take its first and second measurement. Tip number 3, make sure that the phone is at the same height as the card. As you can see here, if I have my phone higher than the card, it's not going to measure. It's going to keep flicking the green bars. We need to hold it at the same height, adjust your stance, hold it to the right, and it will take its first and second measurement. Tip number 4, in fact 2 tips in one. What can you spot that's wrong here? First one is you can see I have my thumb over this little symbol. This symbol is needed so it can recognise where the card is. Next issue is I'm holding the card too far away from the sample. If I try and measure now, it won't find that symbol. And you see that the green symbols around the outside of the corners, that one where my thumb is not illuminating because it's not finding that little symbol. Take my finger away, it would actually then take a measurement. But notice the colour is going to be very dark because the sample is too far away from the card. Just repeat that for you to show it working one more time. Place it on the sample. If you want to hold it, put your finger here in the middle, not on the symbols. Adjust your phone to the right place, right distance with the angle, first and second measurement.